My friend, today I'm going to share a speech that, if you truly listen with your heart, could change your entire life. This is not just another story. These are the words of a man who rose from rejection, poverty, and failure to become one of the most successful people in the world. Yes, I'm talking about Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. A man who turned time into his greatest weapon. This speech will not just inspire you, it will awaken something powerful inside you. Jack Ma once said, "Time is the greatest treasure every human is given equally." Every day, we all get the same 24 hours, rich or poor, genius or ordinary. But the question is, what do you do with your 24 hours? Some people use them to build their dreams. Others waste them watching people who already achieved theirs. Ask yourself, are you investing your time to improve yourself, or wasting it to make others rich? Your time is your life. Once it's gone forever. When Jack Ma was young, he had nothing, no money, no connections, no good grades. He failed again and again. But he had one thing others didn't, time awareness. He realized, if I don't use my time wisely, I'll stay poor forever. But what are you balancing? Laziness and failure? While you rest, Jeff Bezos studies new technologies. Elon Musk watches physics lectures. And you? You're relaxing. Enjoying life is good, but only after you've earned it. Work now, rest later. If you rest now, regret will wake you up later. If your job disappears tomorrow, can you still earn? If your degree means nothing, can you still prove your value? Life doesn't care about certificates, only about skills. Learn to sell. Learn to write. Learn to build. Stop saying, "I don't have time." You have time, you just waste it. Check your screen time. Every hour you spend scrolling is an hour you could have used to change your life. If you learn 1 hour every day, you'll be smarter than 90% of people in a year. The world is moving fast. If you're not climbing, you're falling. Life is like a downward escalator. Stand still, and you go down. The only way up is to keep moving. Success doesn't come from giant leaps, it comes from small, consistent steps. You don't need to read 50 books a week, start with 10 pages a day. You don't need to be perfect, just consistent. Everyone wants excitement. But real magic happens in the boring moments. Jack Ma's success came from writing emails, practicing English, reading business books, every single day. If you can master boring things, your life becomes exciting. If you only chase excitement, your life becomes boring. Motivation fades like a shower, you need it daily. But discipline is like a muscle, it grows stronger with time. Jack Ma wasn't always confident. He was scared and broke. But he had discipline. He failed, learned, and tried again, until success had no choice but to follow. Stop waiting for the right time. There is no perfect time. The perfect time is now. The world's greatest people aren't slaves to luck, they're slaves to their decisions. Those who step forward today will be remembered tomorrow. Every second whispers, "Use me before I become your regret." Victory belongs to those who start now. Learn. Think. Act. Grow. And never waste your most precious treasure, your time. Because once it's gone forever.